Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh shit.
Us? Did my tire go flat? My fucking tire is flat.
What did we do?
You know what?
Barely any Wi-Fi over here.
I'm gonna back up. That's a tire. Please stay in the car. You gotta be fucking kidding me right now. Oh my god! My god! My hubcap is gone.
What?
My hubcap is gone. No, I just realized. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh my god, it blew out. My hubcap is gone and I just got off the fucking bridge. There's no way, bro. There's no way. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Of course I put all my hubcaps back on. Oh. I put all my hubcaps on. And then I blow out a fucking tire. There's no way, bro. There's no way.
You have an air.
I don't have it. There's no way of putting air back in the tire, babe. I have a spare, but I don't have a jack.
You're gonna have to upload it to YouTube.
I gotta do something with that. Alright.
Very nice policeman.
Bro. Dude, I am so... You have no idea how pissed I am. I lost a hubcap.
Do you think it was the hubcap that caused it?
Nah, not at all.
Wait, record this.
No. Okay, it doesn't look like it did anything else. Actually, wait. Oh my god. This is... Ow.
Is it hot?
No, it's not hot. Oh my god. Holy shit. There. Wait. How old is this?
There.
Oh shit, I didn't even notice. Oh, it was all over. Anyways. Oh, there's like bubbles. Anyways, how old is this
Bubbles
time?
are still warm.
Oh, 2020. Actually, not that old.